commission, right? So residual income. So month after month after month, we actually get paid, right? So as you can see, $7,062, which I've actually earned within a very short amount of time, and I was able to do it because of such a in-depth training we have in the training area, which I'll also be sharing with you, right? So make sure you pay attention all the way till the end, and keep taking notes. Any questions you have, make sure I go ahead and put in the comment section so I can reply to you in the best possible way, right? So this is affiliate marketing business, and affiliate marketing business is such a huge industry, right? And a lot of people are making full-time income from this business model. And when I actually got started, I believe in 2017, I dabbled with different programs and I wasn't getting much results. And when I actually found this system, which allowed me to understand how to promote the system out there, and with the help of that, I was able to earn consistent revenue from this system, right? And it's not just me earning this commission. We have people in the community in this group of, as you can see, 6,700 people we have in this group, and who are there to support each and every single one of you, right? Any questions we have, we ask in the group, and these people are just there to help and support you. It's a community-centered group, and pretty much they provide all the support, all the coaching, and all the mentoring that you need to be able to get success with this system, right? And you can see also the results. Richard joined, and you can see how much sales he's getting on a consistent basis, and people of all walks of life are getting results from this amazing system, right? Sarah actually, just in the last 2 weeks, she made like $900, right? Just using this system, right? Simple as that. And it's not a complicated system. Most of the time people make so complicated that it doesn't need to be. You can see I's made $20,000. You can see Steven made $5,000, $832, and people are just getting consistent sales. Look at this, 292,000 monthly recurring commissions. Look at this. Nick has made 292,000, sorry, from this system, right? Which is just amazing. Be able to earn that amount of income within a very short amount of time, right? And as you can see, and we got more testimonials here. You can see that Julio, he made a sale, and as you make a sale, you get commissions, and you be able to earn, like, look at this, 5,000 he was able to earn. And like I said, I can keep scrolling down, and people just keep sharing their results in the group. And it's a heart-centered community, right? You might be going out there looking for all these programs, and you might be able to find something, but it's going to be really hard to be able to find something like this, because the cost of entry is so little, and the benefit that you're gonna get plus the bonus you're gonna get is so amazing, because the owners actually got sick and tired of the industry where he was actually going, and they combined forces and they built something which is called the Home Business Academy, right? And you can see my results here, and let me refresh this screen. So you can see this is my real numbers, real results. Total commissions, $7,000 in recurring monthly commissions, right? So let's get inside the system so I can show you better what you're actually gonna get for this $25 investment, right? And you're gonna click on the first link in the description section below so you can enter the system, right? Enter the program. So this is a $25 all-in-one business model, right? And you literally just gonna enter your name, your email address, and you're gonna get access. So get access is gonna be you can check it out for free, right? And pretty much all the details. You can go and check your email as well. So I send you that email. It's gonna have valuable information on that, and I'll also be giving you a few of the bonus which you're gonna get in your inbox, right? So make sure you go and check your email as well, right? As soon as you enter your email, you're gonna go to this page here where I actually share with you a little bit about my journey and what I was doing before. So make sure you go ahead and watch this video as well, right? And when you click on this button here, learn more here, it will actually bring you to this page. As you can see, this is a $1 system which you can actually try out, right? So literally you can get access for as little as $1, and in here you can see all these amazing testimonials. People are doing this business from the comfort of your home, and literally the commission that has been paid out for the affiliates is like $3 million, and you earn 80% commission, right? And I'll also be sharing with you what you're actually gonna get on the inside, so you can take this training and also start to implement what I'm sharing with you in this video series that I'm actually doing here, right? So you can see all these bonus, and what you're gonna do after you have checked all this information, you're gonna go down here, all these green buttons. So you can see all these green buttons here. All you have to do is just click on any of these green button, right? And you're gonna get access to the inside, right? You're gonna get access on the inside, which is the so basically this is a funnel builder tool, right? Any affiliate marketing, any affiliate marketers out there, they need this one thing, and which is a funnel builder. Everyone out there is looking for funnel builder, and there was something called Click Funnels, which is literally $97, right? And it's a lot of money, and you use ClickFunnels, which is like really outdated, and pretty much the owners created this amazing system, and pretty much it's only $25, but literally for today you can get access for it for as little as $1, right? Which is just amazing. And you're gonna enter your name, your email. Make sure it's the correct detail, because the company will send you all the password and login details, so that way you can get access to the program, your address, and the funnel builder tool, right? So this is the system that you're gonna access, and this actually pays you $20 in recurring commission. Then you got $100 in recurring commission, right? So you earn from this amazing system, and it's a recurring income program that we're actually getting into, right? And pretty much what you're doing is like you just take this step by step and take all the training that I'm sharing with you, so you can start to implement all this training. And when you're gonna get access to this, you're gonna click on this button here, add to order, and once you actually click to add to order, pretty much you're gonna get access to the system, right? So as you can see, $1, but because you click on this box here, add to order, because this is a funnel builder tool, and it actually shows you the traffic conversion as well, right? So literally you get 1 week for free, right? 1 week for free. You can test drive, see if you like this system or not, right? So most of the time people like, and the stickability, right, is like really high in this program. That's the reason I promote this system, because most of the time when you promote anything, it's just one-off thing, and literally people just quit after like 2 or 3 weeks. But people seems to stay with this program, and that's the reason I'm earning so much every single month. And just to test drive the system, I highly recommend you to tick this box here, right? So you can access the system. It's 1 week for free, right? So place the order here, click this box, place the order, so $26, right? And once you do that, then you're gonna access this system here, this program here, right? So this is where the magic happens, and literally it's a funnel builder tool where you get access to this. So this product here actually pays you recurring. I don't know if ClickFunnels pays you recurring, but this pays you recurring, and month after month you get paid, right? So we got the funnel builder, and we also have all these different strategies sorry, all these different strategies on how we can actually get traffic into our system, right? Which is just amazing. And I personally love this program, and I've been into many different months, but literally I wasn't getting any support, any help, right? There wasn't any coaching, there wasn't any support. And most of the time creators, when they start a program, they're pretty much behind the scene, right? But in here you can see get coaching, mastermind coachings, coaching calls, daily grow rich coaching calls, traffic and conversion traffic calls, right? Traffic calls. So you can actually see what people are doing, and people who are actually succeeding, they come and share with you what they're actually doing to get results with this system, right? Keeping in mind that this is a recurring income business model, and it's not like some sort of high ticket program, high ticket system that you're promoting, and it's just going to be like a one-off thing. This pays you month after month after month, right? So really awesome system, and I highly recommend it. And all the resources will be in the description section below, so make sure you click the first link to access the system, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel. And there's going to be a my phone number on the screen as well, so if you have any questions regarding anything regarding this system, don't hesitate to either call me or send me a message, and I'll be more than happy to jump on the call with you and just share with you what I'm actually doing to get results, and how I can also be helping you to start this amazing all-in-one business model. So again, thank you so much, and keep a lookout for my next video, which I'll be doing tomorrow. And in that video, I'll share with you more in depth what you're actually going to do once you access this amazing program. So again, thank you so much, and I'll talk to you in the coming video. Thank you. My God bless you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.